Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and going to teach you guitar, and I have learned my guitar from online guides and tutorials, and I'm having an experience of 3 to 4 years, and I have done some stage performance also. So we are going to learn from beginners to intermediate level. Then I'm going to give you some tips about the guitar. Okay, so let's jump to it. Starting with the introductions. In introduction session, I'm going to teach you about chords like this. Uh, this is C major chord. This is G major chord. This is A minor. This is D major. This is E minor. Okay, so further in this lessons and series of lessons, I'm going to teach you about scales like this one. This is key. This is our C scale, basically C major. Okay, so further in this lesson I'm going to teach you about strumming pattern like this um, like this. Down down up down 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 up down 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 up down down up down down up down and also this one. Okay, and further in this lesson I'm going to teach you about finger plucking, uh, which helps to play lead part actually. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to give you practical as well as theoretical knowledge. uh, I know that theoretical knowledge is kind of boring, but it is important to learn guitar basically. So let's starting with uh, let's start with the types of guitars and learn about something guitar. Okay, starting with guitar, there are basically two types of guitars. Okay, one is acoustic and the other is electric. Okay, the acoustic guitar can be played without any plugins. Okay, it does not need any plugin. Okay, and electric guitar has inbuilt pickup, and it does not have any sound holes, especially this type sound holes, or it have but it doesn't even useful for that purpose. Okay, so as electric guitar has inbuilt pickup, the chord is plugged in and the sound is played on speakers. Okay, uh, electric guitar are mostly used in playing lead part, the starting parts like this starting parts वगैरह. Okay, acoustic guitar is good for beginners actually. If you are first time learning the guitar lessons, then you should probably start on acoustic guitar. Okay, acoustic guitar are like this type. They are having a sound holes. Okay, okay, um, okay, now further there are another types of guitars which are कुछ मतलब गिटारों में यहाँ पे कट होता है. ओके, ये जो कट है इसका इस्तेमाल इसलिए होता है ताकि हम हाई हाई ऑक्टेव में जा सकें। ये हमारा 12th, ये हाई ऑक्टेव में जाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करा जाता है। तो और कुछ गिटार में यहाँ पे कट ये नहीं होता, ठीक है, तो उनका बेस बहुत अच्छा होता है। ओके, वो डीपर साउंड के लिए इस्तेमाल करे जाते हैं, उनका रिकॉर्डिंग पर्पसेस के लिए इस्तेमाल करा जाता है। और ये वाला मतलब जिनमें कट होता है वो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस के लिए इस्तेमाल करे जाते हैं, ठीक है। अब हमें म्यूज़िक की थ्योरी में इसमें हमें क्या क्या सीखना है, उसमें आता है लीड पार्ट, जो गाने का लीड होता है वो कैसे प्ले करते हैं। जैसे कि दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ लीड। तो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ लीड पार्ट। कोरस, chords are used for background sounds. Okay, so next thing we are going to learn about in this lesson, we are learning about chords like okay, so this combination of chords are used for background music and all, ठीक है। Okay, when group of notes are played together, then it forms a chord. Okay, when group of notes means like I am placing my finger on this fret in this place. Okay, another fingers